Entrepreneurs are the lifeblood of the US economy. They own and operate everything from small grocery stores to the digital startups. No matter what the size and scope, there are entrepreneurs behind every business and private company in the country or in any country. Examples of entrepreneurs are everywhere. McDonald's was founded by an entrepreneur, Facebook was built by an entrepreneur, Coca-Cola was launched by an entrepreneur. Name a famous company and you will find an entrepreneur behind it. So, what can you do to become an entrepreneur? What are the steps of becoming an entrepreneur? Because of the many types of entrepreneurs, there are many different paths that you can take. For example, the owner of a delivery company wouldn't take the exact same path as an interior decorator. But there are some simple steps that all of them should take. And in this video, we'll discuss such 8 steps for becoming a successful entrepreneur. Step 1. Find the right business model for you. Entrepreneurship is a very broad term, and you can be an entrepreneur in just about any area. However, you will have to pick up a field to work in and business to start. Find a business that won't only be successful, but is something that you are really passionate about. Entrepreneurship is about hard work. So you want to focus your attention on something that you care about. Step 2. Determine if you should get an education. You don't need to have any type of formal education to be an entrepreneur. But that doesn't mean you should ignore education entirely. If you want to start a tech company, experience in business, computer programming, and marketing could also be very valuable. Also, some industries will likely require some type of education, such as your own accounting or law firm. Step 3. Plan your business. Before you begin your business, you need to have a business plan. A business plan lays out any objectives you have, as well as your strategy for achieving those objectives. This plan is important for getting investors on board, as well as measuring how successful your business could be. Decide the best location for your business, incorporate, get a tax ID number, open a business bank account, and get your accounting set up. Step 4. Network. While networking is important in all fields, it may be most important for entrepreneurs. Networking is how you meet other people that might have skills you can use in your business. Start building a network as early as possible. Advisors, lawyers, investors, and other founders should all be in your database. Your network can also support your business once you open, helping send a few new customers your way. Also, try to attend as many events as you can regarding entrepreneurship, either physically or digitally. Step 5. Test your idea. Start actively testing your business. Go out there and sell it. Whether you are charging large sums or are operating a freemium model, you have got to be engaging customers and enrolling users. Your product and business may evolve dramatically during this period of time. That's okay. The point is, someone is interested and is actually willing to use it. Step 6. Turn your early adopters into raving fans. The best way to gain attraction and to begin to grow your business is to really impress those early adopters so that they stay loyal and refer to others. It may seem like this will require some extra work and investment also, but it will ultimately be a lot cheaper and more profitable than paid advertising. Step 7. Raise money. If you followed the above steps, then you will be ready to raise some outside money or more money to maintain cash flow and fuel for going to the next level. If you have achieved the above, it will also be easier to raise money at this stage once you have a more polished product and model and have some action and the data to prove that your business idea is actually working. This round will help you achieve the next milestone so that you can raise even more after that. Step 8. Scale it. Take that capital and use it to replicate your success and scale your business. Duplicate your success, expand into new markets, strategically acquire other companies, increase your hiring, will propel you towards a very successful business. and people will admire you as a great entrepreneur. So, these were the 8 steps that could help you to begin your entrepreneurship journey. Remember one thing, that these were not the only steps that you need to become an entrepreneur or a successful entrepreneur. Read more and more books about how to start a business. Read autobiographies of successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Warren Buffett, or many other out there. In short, keep evolving yourself and your knowledge because entrepreneurship is all about evolving the world. Now, if you found this video informative, then make sure to press the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you can receive notifications for our upcoming videos on money saving and investing. Thank you very much.